Okay guys, yeah, welcome back to the channel. I remain your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and this is just a short video to tell you about my Black Friday offer for those people that would like to get my Facebook ads course. So as you know, what I do on this channel is that I teach you how to scale up your business using Facebook and Instagram ads. And although this channel is there to teach you for free, you might want to learn much more in depth, or probably have a community where you can always fall back to in terms of running Facebook ads. So that is why I've created this amazing course. It's called the Smartphone Facebook Ads Antidote, which teaches you how to run Facebook ads effectively with your smartphone. And one catch about this course is that you also get the PC version of this course for free. That is the bonus attached to this course. So currently the price of this course is 15,000 naira, which in dollar is around $35, but you'll be getting a 50% discount on the course today, and this runs between 25th of November, which is today, to the 1st of December 2022. So in order to see everything that is inside this course, just visit this link. I've created a special link. As you can see, it's christianomeje.com/bf2022. so right here you'll see everything that is inside the course. As you can see, currently the price of this course is 15,000 naira, but if you scroll down you can check everything about this course. You understand? You can see everything that is inside this course. You'll learn how to run ads with your smartphone effectively, even if you do not have a laptop. And as well, these are the snippet of what you'll be learning inside the course. You understand? So just visit this link to learn more. If you check out, this is the module, getting started with Facebook ads, how to easily make payments with your Nigerian ATM card or your dollar ATM card for your ads. As you can see, Facebook ads creation, I went through the process of all the type of Facebook ads creation, anyone. You understand? From running ads to WhatsApp, Instagram, lead generation, website lead generation, anyone you want, it's there in the course. As you can see, targeting, I did effective targeting. All the targeting techniques, I did it here for you. You understand? Also talking about creatives, as you can see, I showed you how to create amazing creative with your smartphone. You understand? And as you can see, in terms of Facebook ad ban, I've also given out my secret of how I recover most of my pages, business managers or other account that has been banned. And this is an amazing module where you learn landing page and email marketing, all with your smartphone. You understand? So this is just all that is inside this course. And just like I said, the super amazing bonus is that you'll be getting the PC version of this course. You understand? So you will learn how to do it either on your phone or on your laptop. Any device you are using, you will know how to do it. You understand? So this is it. So now, how do you now get access to this 50% discount for this course? So what you just need to do, once you're on this page, just click on the Get Now, fill in these details. You understand? Then just, you see this point that says get a coupon code, just tap on it and just type Black Friday 2022. You understand? So Black Friday 2022 is what you need to type. Just apply it. As you can see, the coupon has been applied, and as you can see, you get this course at a 50% discount, which is 7,500 naira. So this is how you get the 50% discount for my Facebook ads course. So jump in before the time elapses. As you can see, 25th November to the 1st of December. You still have a lot of time to jump in now before it goes down. So that is just it about this video. So let me just show you. As you can see, this is just one of the persons that have gotten the course. There are many people who have gotten this course, but this is just one, in order not to make this video too long. As you can see, boss, I appreciate you a lot. Since your mentorship, my business has skyrocketed from 0 to 100. So there are many of these kind of results, but I just say, let me just show you one person that has actually benefited from this course. And if you scroll down, you can see more right here. You see people happy with their results. Your course is hot, boss. Keep up the good work. As you can see, so this is just it. Just go and apply that Black Friday code and get your 50% discount. So that is just it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Take care and have fun.
Okay, my name is Samuel Kobe of Kobe Pet Stores, and I want to humbly recommend Smartphone Facebook Ad Antidote by Christian Omeje. In fact, just call him the ad lord. He's a miracle worker when it comes to ad. So many people complain, and I have tried so many people, but Christian Omeje has been the one handling everything that has to do with my business online, and he does magic with that. Believe and practice. Get this course and have a cause to be grateful to God. Thank you.